Hey guys, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients, and today we're going to cook broccoli cream soup. I learned this recipe from watching Gordon Ramsay channel, and I think I can improvise and make it more unique. I'm using 2 small broccoli. You can use 1 if it is big. These 2 broccoli will become 2 or 3 portion soup. First, we cut the crown into small florets, so it will cook faster and blend more easily in the blender. Soak it in salted water for 15 minutes and then wash and rinse it. This salted water will help remove any small worm hiding in the florets. Cook it in boiling water for 6 to 7 minutes. You know when it is done by poke it with a knife or fork. If it is soft on the inside, it's done. And keep the water, we're going to use it again. Put it in the blender and pour that water again. It looks like the broccoli juice is too watery, but that's okay, we're going to cook it again. Add 2 knobs of butter and then pour the broccoli juice. Let it boil and then turn it into simmer. And also skim all that white foam because that looks disgusting. You don't want that on your soup, right? Add Parmesan cheese, about half tablespoon, and also the cooking cream. And don't forget to give it a taste. And you know what? I think it needs more Parmesan cheese. And also don't forget to season it with salt and black pepper. For side dish, I'm using regular toast. And it's better if you use a baguette or sourdough bread. Add mozzarella cheese on top of the bread, season with salt and black pepper, and then torch it until the cheese melts. Torching the cheese gives a smoke flavor that you can't get by using regular oven. And finally garnish it with paprika powder and chopped parsley. Let's serve it up. Pour the broccoli soup, sprinkle with more Parmesan cheese and black pepper, add the bread on the side, and for the cherry on top, add a little bit of saffron. And this is me eating something that I never thought to like. The soup is super creamy but still has that broccoli flavor. It is salty from the Parmesan cheese and have that unique flavor from the saffron. And the bread, yes, I know I should use baguette or sourdough bread, but it still tastes amazing individually or even if you dip it in the soup. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.